Hello everyone, this is the recording for IS323 Unit 6. The reading for this unit is Tutorial 8, Enhancing Website with Multimedia. The initial post for the discussion is due by Wednesday. Respond to 3 elements of the discussion. Multimedia can add significantly to a website, but not without some cost. Discuss some of the issues site designers must consider when adding multimedia to a website. Consider issues such as bandwidth, server load, or others you consider to be important. There is a wide variety of multimedia including sound, animation, and videos. Search the web for a website you feel uses multimedia effectively. Discuss the factors that make the site's use of multimedia a positive experience for users. Describe the functional benefits, if any, that the multimedia adds to the site. Include links to the site you described. Cite your sources in APA, and don't forget your in-text citation. You need 2 replies by Sunday. Don't forget your open-ended question in one of your replies. The Unit 6 assignment is due Sunday. You're to complete the rhetoric in the United States case problem from Tutorial 8. Using your editor, open the JFK, WS Media, and WS Captions, and insert your name and the date in the comment section of each file, and save them as taking out the TXT, respectively. Go to the WSJFK HTML file in your editor and insert a link to the style sheet. I did not give you the code for that because we've done it before. Scroll down to the article element and directly below the H1, heading 1, display the poster image WSJFK. Insert a video clip with the controls enabled. There's your video. Displaying the poster image WJFK poster PNG. Add 2 possible sources, so those are your sources, including the MIME type for each video source. So see page 603. After to the 2 video clips sources, add a caption track. Here's the caption with the label speech captions using the source WS caption. If the browser does not support embedded video, display the paragraph. To play this video clip, your browser must support HTML. See page 609, and there's your paragraph. Save your changes to the file and then open the WS Caption BTT file in your text editor. Add an initial line to the text file indicating that this file is a WEBBTT format. See page 609. So this is how you start it out. Then you're going to add the track cues. So I've shown some of them here. You have to go to the instructions to see the rest of them. We're going to label them 1 through 12. And this is how you're going to insert them in your file. So see page 609. Save your changes to the file and then go to the WS Media style sheet, and in the editor, within the video player styles, insert a style rule that displays video elements as blocks with a width of 90% and margins of 5 pixels and left and right margins of top and bottom 5 pixels. Create a media query for the screen devices with a minimum width of 521 pixels. See Tutorial 5 if you don't remember how to do a media query. Within the media query, create a style for video elements that sets the width of the player to 360 pixels, floated on the right with a margin width of 10 pixels. Within the Track Styles section, create a style rule for the caption cues that displays the text in 1.3 EMs with the text color RGB. So here's your background, here's your font color, and here's your the type of font and your font color. Zip all the files together and submit the zipped file. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Come on, open it. Alright, we gotta go back. So the Unit 6 quiz is due Sunday, may only be taken once. Sample rate is the number of samples of audio carried per second, measured in hertz or kilohertz, 1 kilohertz being 1,000 hertz. The digital audio using pulse code modulation, PCM, bit depth is the number of bits of information in each sample, and it directly corresponds to the resolution of each sample. Ogvorbs is a file compression format designed for web audio and is an open source and royalty-free format. Musical instruments digital interface composition is smaller than a WAV or an MP3 file, but cannot include speech. In the Object tab, the type of attribute, sorry, I don't know why that didn't go away, indicates the type of data to be embedded. At the Web Video Text Track, the Web VTT file consists of several time entries, each marked with a timestamp. Know what parameter is used to identify the video file to be played in the Flash player. That's page 617. The attribute volume value of the QuickTime plugin sets the initial volume where values range from 0 to 255. Know what QuickTime is, page 589. A small web format, SWF file, can provide real-time interactive animation for the viewer. The parameter ID identifies the embedded Flash movie so that it can be referenced in the Flash player. An applet is displayed as an embedded object on your web page in the applet window. The fade zone parameter causes the text in the applet window to fade in and out as it scrolls. You would use the object element to create a background sound that follows XHTML specifications and other media clips in order to be compatible with W3C specifications. Multimedia is displayed within a web page in a fashion similar to an inline image. The trade-off in increasing the sampling rate is it increases the size of the sound file. By default, audio controls are displayed in line with the text level elements. A video file typically contains two codecs, one codec for audio and another for the video images. The frequency is the speed at which the sound wave moves, and it relates to the sound's pitch. That's all I have for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know.